Welcome everyone to a complete guideline on web development. In the last four parts, I already discussed basic, um, basic and fundamentals of web design and development. We already discussed what is HTML, what is CSS, and many more. And yesterday, I already discussed about some very important um, concepts. Okay, like I already discussed about the box modeling, and today I'm going to revise it, and we will learn couple of more important um, HTML tags, and we will learn unordered list, ordered list, and list item. How we can make a list. Okay, so let me open my git bash. I just type git and git bash pop up here. Press enter. Okay, remember this complete guideline is for the uh, aspiring developers who wants to learn web development and don't know where to start. Okay, those who are already expert, please don't waste your time. And if you are watching this YouTube channel for the first time or watching my video tutorials for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. All right, let me make it a little bigger. How we do it? Just press Ctrl plus and let's tell Git to go to our desktop, and we know what's folder or directory we are using for this course. This is web dev underscore environment. And how I can access it? cd web dev underscore, then press tab. Git is very intelligent software and it understands what we are looking for. Okay, now how we can use the code editor. We want to open this folder in a code editor because we have all the files and folders inside of it. So I just type code. Code means Visual Studio Code in brief, then a space. Okay, press dot, then press enter, and Visual Studio Code will open for us. Wow, what a very powerful command. Okay, now this is our project. All right, and this is our HTML. So what we are going to do actually, we are going to uh, let me show you my open with live server is not working. I'm sorry about it, but we have a solution. We can just right button click on index.html, then reveal in file explorer, click on it, and it will open our files and folders. Okay, then just click on index, double click to open, or you can right button click and open with, you can choose any web browser. I choose Google. This is our project. Now if we want to make it with a little more, we can do it anytime, don't worry about it. Just I want to show you how the concept of box modeling works. Actually, I want to repeat because uh, some of you sent me email that the concept is not clear. Let me clarify it. I just type dot and say my div. Okay, so this is name of the class. Okay, how we can um, code shortcut way. I'm showing it. Okay, then just I press enter and it will automatically be written. Okay, now let me copy three of these. As I told you earlier, the web developers and software developers, most of the time, 75 to 80%, they just um, take resources from the various platform, they copy and paste and then customize them uh, according mm, according to their needs or requirements. Okay, now I say div1, this is div1, and I say the second one is div2 and third one is div3. Okay, div3, div2. Right, if you go to your website, okay, and refresh, you will see just three very small content or contents. Okay, now how we can style it using box modeling, let me show you. Okay, I just want to keep the body background the same, and I want to take it out. Now let's check our website. You see, wow. Okay, now let's apply box modeling. Okay, just I take my div, the class for each of the divs, three divs, and class always defines with dot, starts with dot, then class, and this is CSS selector now. Okay, we already talked about it, and I want background colors, say for example, red. So all the background colors will be red. Now you can check, right? Wonderful. Okay, and we want text color. Text color is just color to be green. Say for example, maybe green may not visible because um, our whole background color is light green. Okay, now just click and see the yellow. Okay, yellow color, and I want width to be 300 pixel. Okay, and now you can check it. Okay, 300 pixel, and I want height to be 300 pixel. Okay, all right, boom. Now uh, you cannot see there are three dips because still we don't have any margin. Okay, we don't have any border. Now box model consists of four elements. One is content. We have content. Then padding. We don't have padding right now. Let me give padding. Say padding 20 pixel. Okay. Now check. Now we have padding 20, 20, 20, 20. All around 20. Usually we can make it a little more. Let me give 40. Okay. Well, even we can provide 50, I guess. No problem. And let me provide now border. Border has three elements. First, it will have the border, how thick it will be. Let's say 10 pixel. And then what color it will be. Say hot pink. Okay. And whether it will be solid or dotted or dashed. Okay, what I do mean by solid, you see, solid border. Okay, if I let me use black, it will be more visible and easy to understand. Now I am not using solid, I'm now using, say for example, dotted. Then go, now it is solid. Now we are using dotted, means dot dot. Look, dot 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 dot. Okay, now we want to use not solid nor dotted. I want to use dashed. Okay, beautiful, right? Okay, better I keep, most of the time we use solid, so I put solid. Okay, now we have now content, we have now padding, we have border, but we don't have margin. Let me put margin here. In margin, I put, say for example, 50 pixel. Now look at the page. Okay, there is no margin. Still, we don't have margin. We don't have margin here. We don't have margin here. We don't have margin here. Now click. What happened? Usually. Okay, what happened? Let's see. Margin, where is margin? Margin, right? No, come on. I write margin. Okay. Now I can just refresh or reload, and I see now I have margin 50, 50, 50, and 50. In here also 50. Okay. Now I want to float it. Float here. Okay. So float, when I float, it's already on left, but again it will float left. This one goes there and float left, take place here, and the third one also will go left and take place here. And I say floats left. Now you can check what happens. All right, now the problem is, I can make the content a little bigger. I can say this is in H1 tag. Okay, and just copy and paste to save the time. Okay, copy and paste and just change the number. Okay, all right. Now it will be easier to understand, right? Now, where is our border? Border is not visible. Why? Border, 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 border. Oh, solid. Okay, solid. It's solid. Okay, now you can check. Border is there. Okay, even if you want, you can make it 20 to make it thicker. Okay. Well, now, say for example, there is navigation bar, there is picture, there is video, and at the same time, you have 3 columns. Okay, so you can make 3 columns. Now, say for example, you have this same 3 other divs. Just copy. What it will happen, right? But say for example, you want to make different color to this. How you can do it? You can use ID. Okay, ID. ID is unique. So you say different div. Okay, so just choose it. Okay, select it. Then ID starts with hashtag. Okay, then and everything will be same, right? Everything will be same, but you want background color to be green, different. So for example, or you can say blue.